Hello guys, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ayan, ang video ko ngayon guys ay papakita ko sa inyo yung training namin kanina guys patungkol sa fire extinguisher na nauwi sa konting aksidente. Simpleng aksidente lang naman guys. Ayan. At siya nga pala guys, mag-iingat pala tayo sa fire extinguisher kasi may pagkakataon din pala guys na pumapalya ito. So ayan, at kung gusto nyong makita yung buong video guys at pangyayari, ay patapusin nyo yung video ko hanggang dulo. At sa mga bago pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag nyo naman kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakilike na rin po at pakiclick na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos na ina-upload. So ayan guys, sisimulan na po natin ang ating video. Yan.
Point indicates it's okay, normal condition. Okay, it's sometimes two sides you see the red color. Okay, it will comes down, it's empty. If it goes up, it's overpressure.
Overpressure.
Okay.
What is this?
The green?
Center
Red,
green point.
yeah.
Green is normal point.
Normal.
That means 15 bar pressure is inside that cylinder. Okay. If we use on time, if you use the cylinder, it's last for 30 seconds.
Only 30
Only
seconds?
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
One cylinder. Okay.
So if we open the cylinder, it's automatically
Okay.
automatic finish.
No, automatic finish.
Yeah.
If we found any fire here,
Yeah.
just don't go near to the fire.
Yeah.
You make a distance 3 meter.
3 meter.
3 meter distance.
Yeah.
Okay. And first you have to remove the pin, safety pin.
Yes.
This one. Maybe this also. First this is tab.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
After that, load the pin.
Okay.
Then what you are do is just aim the base of the fire. Base, not
3 meters away.
3 meter out.
Okay.
Just aim to the base of the fire and make a squeeze like this.
Yeah.
And just side to side. Don't go near to the fire. After extinguishing the fire, you can go forward. Okay, if you don't know, if it means sometimes it's going to be big. What shall you do? So make a gap to 3 meters. I'll tell you where to use the DC pin. Look, this is ABC board. Okay. First one A means you can use in the wood, paper, like candle also you can use. Okay. Next, you can use the cooking oils. Okay. Cooking oil. And you can use the heat metal. Very hot metal. Metal means any metal.
Like
Metal.
Iron metals, like that. And you can use in the electrical shock also. Okay, electric. No problem. If you have big fire, no. Like the metal. But you can, there's too much weight.
But
This one.
you know, like
So
this,
you have to keep down.
the dry powder.
So carbon is for
Electrical and then cooking small fire.
The best for all. Jennifer first.
You try? Okay, you can try.
Ikaw natin, ID muna. Go.
Palayo ko dyan.
Wag ako wag ako bugaan mo.
Go first.
Pull out the pin.
It's already removed?
Already I removed that.
Yeah, okay. Pin. Yeah, it's already removed the pin and remove this one. And then you pull this one. And then
Aim the base of the fire.
yeah. If there's a fire, you put in. Yeah, why is it double?
Angit.
Just hold. Yeah, that's it.
Game. Te, ganun mo te,
This is cold. Okay.
like that is not dangerous.
No,
No, hindi yan.
This is Celsius like ice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Jin, take.
See this coming. See this coming.
Yeah, it's carbon dioxide. here.
Huwag ka na mabuti dyan. Umutok.
Ay,
Oo, ano. Yun lang naman yan.
No, that is ham. See, it's
Nabidyohan mo yun? Pagtuwi.
isend mo nga sa akin yung Jack.
ang haba. Putulin ko muna, edit ko muna.
Ano matuo?